Hey, good evening, and welcome to the final module of our course. And I hope that you have found this course to be interesting and that it is something that you will not just say, wow, I did it, I can move on to something else, but maybe you'll take some of the strategies and resources gained and be able to apply it to all aspects of your life. For this week's final assignments, it's important that you really pay attention to the instructions in this video to make sure that you complete everything properly. So you have a discussion forum this week. It is only an initial post. You do not have to reply to anyone, and it is due on Sunday. And basically, this is a reflection post. And what I want you to do is I want you to reflect. What was your favorite thing to learn in this class? Notice why. Every question that I give always has a why to it because I wanna dig deep. I really want to learn. So this is a great way for you to teach me about the course, about how it's helpful, or maybe it's not helpful, and what are some ways we can change it. So I'm always interested to learn from you, and so this is another good opportunity to do just that. So what assignment was of the greatest value to you and why? What advice would you give to someone preparing to take the course? Have you changed your understanding of critical thinking because of this class? Why or why not? As you answer these questions, I would encourage you to give significant detail to them. I did not put a word limit on here or a minimum word requirement, but I am asking you to please provide substantial information to help fulfill your understanding of this course and the reflection of it. So that is due by Sunday night. Excuse me. And then you have your final exam. Your final exam is due on December the 14th, and basically, if you look at the final exam, it is important that you understand it is due, yes, on December the 14th at 11:55. Although I am going to strongly encourage you, have this done long before then. It is so important for you to not stress with last-minute essays, exams, questions. It's not worth it. Go ahead and knock it out. There could be a storm, there could be a power outage. Since I'm giving you a week and a half to complete this, there's no exceptions if this is not turned in on time. So please, please, please go ahead and just do it. Just have it complete, and I think you'll be able to move forward where you can focus on a new Christmas shopping or other assignments or whatever else it is that you need to do. Okay, so for the final exam, you've got one time to attempt. Make sure you're ready. It is 2 hours, so it gives you time to make sure that you're ready to prepare. Study, review the questions, review the practice assignments, how to form academic arguments, those things to kind of help you to do well for the final exam. Those are the two assignments. I would encourage you once again, go ahead and knock them out, get them done. As I mentioned earlier, when I've finished grading everything, I will send you out an email or a video just saying, hey, all final grades are complete. As always, if you have any questions, reach out to me. I hope you have a great week. I just encourage you, please do not procrastinate, but go ahead and knock this out. So take care. Talk to you soon. Go out and do something great for someone.